Everything you need to know about SpaceX's launch with NASA. The United States opened a new chapter in its adventure in space on Saturday when a SpaceX rocket launched from the Kennedy Space Center. This was the second attempt to send astronauts to the International Space Station after it was postponed earlier due to bad weather. It was earlier forecasted that there is only a 50-50 chance of favorable conditions during the liftoff. But the weather stayed up and SpaceX grabbed the opportunity. For NASA's commercial crew programs, two companies, namely SpaceX and Boeing, were enlisted to develop spacecrafts that could fly astronauts to the station. Earlier, NASA had no option but to rely on Russia to ferry its astronauts to space for as much as $90 million a seat. NASA awarded contracts to Boeing and SpaceX worth $6.8 billion to pull this task. It was considered that aerospace giant Boeing would fly first. But due to some problems, this mission ended early for Boeing. SpaceX also ran into a series of problems, where one of Falcon 9 rockets exploded in 2015. But the problems were then investigated and fixed by SpaceX before the launch and were praised by many in the industry. It was a historic moment for SpaceX, which became the first private corporation to launch people into orbit. The first crewed launch from the US soil since 2011. For Elon Musk, this launch represents another milestone for the reusable rockets his company pioneered to make space flights less costly and more frequent. It also marks the first time commercially developed space vehicles owned and operated by a private entity rather than NASA. On board the spacecraft were two of NASA's most experienced astronauts, Bob Behnken and Doug Hurley, who previously had flown 2 missions on the space shuttle. They spent next few hours testing equipment and procedures in the capsule, including doing some manual flying. Their stay at the ISS is not known currently, but is likely to be somewhere between 1 and 4 months. The astronauts flew in SpaceX's Crew Dragon capsule, carried on top of one of the company's Falcon 9 rockets. The spacecraft is a fully autonomous next-generation capsule outfitted with Tesla-like touchscreens. It was a vastly different spacecraft the astronauts have flown earlier, with temperature controls that allow astronauts to keep the cabin at between 65 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Over 10 million people watched the launch live, streamed on social media and broadcast on television networks across the world. Mr. Trump became the third sitting president to watch a launch live from the Kennedy Space Center. Despite warnings by NASA to stay home, fans lined the beaches to watch a historic moment in the making. But they drastically limited attendance at the Space Center. Both the astronauts will now fly for 19 hours and try to get some sleep before the assignation at the International Space Center. Once complete, NASA and SpaceX would review the data and certify the spacecraft for additional missions that would fly as many as 4 astronauts at the same time. The next mission could occur at the end of August, where it is likely to see 4 astronauts to aboard the spacecraft rather than 2. This mission carried enormous weight for the United States, and to lay out the foundation for a new era in human spaceflight. Do you also think this mission's successful launch could open new opportunities for us? Do let us know in the comments below.